Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to braid my hair. In fact, I'm already with my stylist and I went to the market already to get my extensions that I will be using. I got the lush hair extensions. I'm going to put a clip for you guys to see, and also I'm doing the knotless box braid. I went on Pinterest to look for some hairstyles inspiration. I want something very tiny and also very beautiful. So I'm going to pull up a picture for you guys to see on the screen. So we're about to start in a few minutes, and yes, come along, y'all. So I already moisturized my hair this morning with a bit of my leave-in conditioner, and I also applied my hair oil. But I also brought the hair oil just in case my scalp gets dry. I would want her to apply this directly to my scalp. Right, so we've started already, and she already stretched the attachment or the extensions like into shape because we cut this into two. And fam, I just realized that I have a really dry scalp. I was feeling very uncomfortable when they were weaving the hair. I mean, I told them to take a picture. Let me see what it looks like. I'm going to put it up here for you guys to see up close. It was so bad. I was hoping that after 2 weeks or 1 week, I'm going to wash the hair with the braids together, and just because I really want my hands to get to my scalp. I'm thinking the product I've been applying haven't been getting to my scalp enough, or I need to get a product to treat this dandruff or whatever this is on my scalp. And yeah, I mean, you guys saw that I brought my hair oil along because I sensed that my scalp would be dry, and it was really dry, fam. Like, can you see that? You can see the scales coming off, like it was so dry. So yeah, every day after then I've been using my daily leave-in conditioner and also my hair oil, and I plan on getting this mega growth. They just released a trial for dandruff. I think it's a shampoo and conditioner and a hairspray for people that suffer from dandruff. So I'm thinking that's what I'm going to get next. So maybe when I'm doing the wash day, I will show you guys if it works or not. Okay, I've been getting like seeing a lot of good reviews online, but I want to get it for myself and try it. And yeah, so we're almost done with the hair right now. Do you guys see my scalp? Oh my god, I am so sad. Like, why? Why is this even happening to me? But anyway, we move. Alright, going to treat it, and yeah. So time to curl the bottom part of this braid. So I wanted the curls to be tiny, but she doesn't have those smaller bending rollers. This is the one she have, and so we have to make do. And she's going to roll them. I think about 4 or 5 or more together and roll. So she's going to put everything inside hot water. And fam, this is the part I hate, because you'd feel like the heat from the hot water is going to burn your head, but it isn't. So fam, after massaging my head with that hot water on the towel, now she's applying the hair oil to directly to my scalp, and I felt, okay, I loved it. All that whitish stuff, they came off, but doesn't mean that I'm still not going to treat it. So this is a finished look. If you watched up until this point, thank you so much. Of course, this is another day at the office. I was just showing off the hair for you guys, and it looked good. I've been getting compliments, by the way. Tell me in the comment section if you love my hair, if you're about to get braids soon, let me know, and what style you're getting. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.